Ladies and gentlemen, holding the line, this is a response video to one of my new subscribers. Welcome aboard. This is for Brian Jones. So Brian Jones responded to my Linux commands, ls command video, and he wants to know how to list all files that start with the letter S. It's pretty easy. So let's create a file with the letter S, and we'll call it superfile.txt. And we'll create another one called superfile2. We'll create another one called superfile3. And we'll create another file called the superfile3. All right, type in ls. We can see a list of files in this directory. Okay, let's clear the screen. Okay, so there's all our files listed in order. Let me actually not do the options. Keep it simple. So there's all the files. If I want to see just files beginning with S, as star. It's that simple. Or maybe it isn't. Notice we only got 2 of the 3 files that begin with S. And that's because one of the S's is uppercase. Right? That's why we can do a range. So we can do, instead of just saying S, we can say range S, lowercase s, uppercase S. Boom! Now we get all the S's regardless of case. Now we can also do SS and R. Now we get the one that begins with R. The README file comes in this one. If I put the R at the end, same difference, doesn't matter, doesn't care. Now, what about files with super in the name? Well, what if we did this? Super. What will happen? And just like magic, we get all the files that begin with super, lowercase or uppercase, or contain super, lowercase or uppercase. So all we did there is saying show us files. That's just a wildcard, so that matches pretty much everything. So a file, show us files that begin with anything, and then have a lowercase or uppercase s, and then have ooper, and then whatever else after. And that is super. But you know what's really super? You clicking on the like button, subscribing, smashing that bell. Thanks for watching. This is the Computer Program University, and that is how you list files in a directory in Unix or Linux and control, basically filter. Right? Begins with, contains, all that good stuff. Regular expressions. Look it up. Ciao!